Okay, I've got the thin set pretty much mixed up, and what I did is I found some of these. I have these cement baths that I used to make. That will probably be another show. But so what we're gonna do, I have two of them that broke up. So we'll set this. Set that in the thin set. And I'm just gonna throw these in there just to take up some weight. Add some weight, I should say. Doesn't have to be pretty. This is just to hold my camera, hold enough weight. Alright, just let that sit. So basically, so then later on we're going to drill some holes with some set screws that can, I'll show you what the camera stick looks like, but this can take a little bit. And I can put the tail in there. Yeah, I kind of wanted it in this tray because it will slide underneath my my bench here. It will go up underneath and keep the pipe. That's why I put the pipe off to one side, so this will slide underneath the the bench over there. So, all right, we'll let this sit. Make sure this stays up straight. It doesn't have to be too level. I'll just look at do it by eye. So, all right, we'll let that sit. Throw away this garbage. It's like a cooking show. You have to get everything prepared. So yeah, so this is pretty much done until it sets off, and then we'll make another video.